Hi friends, this is Joy Banerjee from AI Candy Support, and it's been a long time I'm producing a new video for you. And yes, this time I came with a new product which I've just purchased, and I just want to share my experience with you. It's WD My Passport 2 terabyte portable external hard drive, black color. I just purchased. There was a deal going on in Amazon, and if you want to grab the same, the links are right below. You can grab it right away. Okay. So there are specific links for US and there is a specific link for India. So you can just check out that. Okay. I will also show you the unboxing of this particular product. But before that, I will let you know that how much price I have spent for this particular product. Okay. It's ideally this product is, if you see the MRP, it's all about like something in the device which says about 12,000 rupees odd. But I got it in near about 50% off. Yes, there is a deal going on in Amazon. It's for Amazon Prime members, along with it also for normal users as well. They can really grab it, and it's a good choice. I have also done some comparison, so that comparison I will show you up after the unbox. Let's see the unbox first, and then I will come to the comparison.
Hi friends, this is what the new My Passport which I bought from Amazon, and this is a Western Digital 2 terabyte HDD. Okay, so I have one Western Digital 1 terabyte, but I have purchased this because recently what I've done is for my server backups I have purchased Dropbox, and Dropbox is I'm having 1 TB online storage, but somehow if I calculate all the expenses and all, so what I believe is Dropbox is a bit more costly than having a passport size portable storage if I really carry with me. Okay, so then I done some analysis, and then I have chosen this particular passport HDD, which will be what I believe a much better option rather going for an online storage, because what I can see is there are provisions in my server. I can download offline backup, and this particular device is also having auto backup. You can see that this is also having auto backup, right? You can see, and password protection is also there, so which is very good. We can go for it. And what happened was I have 1 terabyte, but I have picked this one 2 terabyte because this is what I believe is going to have more and more space, and you can also see that it has WD backup. Okay, and it also says that it has a 3-year warranty. If you just missed out, it also has 3-year warranty. Okay, and if I see this, it says the color is black. Okay, and I have purchased this in pretty cheap price, because what happens is it says about like 11,000 rupees, 11,910 rupees, which is around like 12,000 rupees in Indian market, but I have purchased it near about something around 50% discount which Amazon is running, so I purchased it from them. So what I believe is this is a good passport hard disk which we should really go for. So I will try to unbox, and I will do a comparison as well. I will show you in my computer that why I picked this one, and let me just unbox it, and I will show you what exactly we get it from it. Okay, now you can see I have taken this out, and it says like, it shows like this. Okay, so it is having a good packaging, what I believe. And if I take this over, and then I can see what the things are, and you can see this is a statement about the technical support and warranty statement which has. Okay, and this is if you need help. It also says that WD is going to really give you a support. It has a URL on which we can really get support from Western Digital. That is very great. And I have lots of it's bit heavy than the previous version which I have, but it looks bit heavy. Yeah, that is a first impression, what I believe. Like it really looks bit heavy than the previous version which I have, although this is having a extra massive of 2 terabyte, so that also does matter. and they give a cable which is really good, and we will test it out. I will connect it in my PC and I will check it out. But before that, I would like to show you why I picked this particular device, and I will show you the comparison as well. So let's jump into the computer. Okay.
Okay, let's jump into it. So I have purchased this WD 2 terabyte, and if you want to grab it, you have the links in the description. Just check it out. There is a different link for Indian users, and there is a different link who's they are coming from other countries. Okay, so you will have the link, and that will have a discount as well. Just grab it. So why I purchased with the black model, I will just let you know. They are with 2 terabyte. We have options. If you go to this particular product, you have option like picking up 1 terabyte. Okay, and that is going to cost you about, you can see in Indian rupees, that is 3899. And if you pick 2 terabyte, you have option like 5999. But if I change the color, if you see the color, I'm changing the color now, the price is swapping. Okay, and if I go to the white color here, the price is again swapping like 9600. And if I again switch it to like 4 terabyte, which is about 9000 rupees. But again, if I want to specifically, if I want to go for a 2 terabyte version, and if I see the other colors as well, they are all of the colors which are very expensive. Okay, and you can see the EMI options is also there, but I picked the black color. I like the black as well, but I'm also, along with picking up the black, I'm saving a hell lot of money. Okay, so this is why I picked up this black version, which is going to give me about 50% discount, and that is a very good deal to really jump in. As I'm a Prime member, I'm really happy with Amazon service. I've just purchased it, and in the next day, I really got that particular item. Okay, so one more thing I just want to share you. If you just I've connected this particular device in my system. Now you can see if I go there, and you can see there are some WD softwares available. If you go to the Windows section, there are WD backup, WD driver utilities in case you want to install them, and there is a WD security as well, in which you can really secure your data as well, and you can really carry it. But what I believe is this WD hard drive, it's a passport. It's small in size. The look is really good, but it's a bit heavy than the previous version which I have. I also carry a 1 terabyte, but obviously it is double in size and capacity, so I can bear with that much really weight as well. So all in all, it's a good deal to really grab in. I don't want you really to waste this particular opportunity, and this is a really good device. You can see it has a LED light as well, which you can really see when it is connected properly, and it also have a connection of Type C, which goes to USB 3. So that is very good. So you can really purchase this, and I liked it. So it is up to you. If you want to really go with, just grab this particular opportunity. So see you in the next video. Hope this particular video is informative for you.